I was working as assistant manager in corporate functions, switching roles from a non-tech to a technical background. I did not have that technical skill that is required. MSIS Bridge program is actually built for students who has strong non-technical background. The coursework build that foundation that is required when you go to the actual full-time job. The professor gives you assignments that are industry level, what is actually happening in the industry. Currently, I'm on co-op with Siemens Healthineers, working with the software quality assurance team. The experience that I'm gaining from this co-op is actually equivalent to someone who is actually working as a software tester. I consider myself as a software tester now because it has actually given me that experience in the real world. There are n number of resources that are available with the MSIS Bridge program. The professors actually looked at my resume and he helped me to understand what will it take for me to be a software tester, giving me that basic knowledge, giving me those assignments which actually helped me do some personal projects in software testing, which I presented in my interviews. The overall experience as an MSIS Bridge student has been excellent. It has great resources. It gives you great opportunities as co-op. The faculties are amazing. The technical coursework is excellent. MSIS Bridge program has opportunities and rewards for everyone. You can customize this program as per your career roadmap.